Target sells a $20 advent calendar, so obviously we have to unbox it. This is called the Happy Beauty Days 12-day advent calendar gift set. Now, you guys are actually the ones who told me about this. I had no idea Target had an advent calendar. So as soon as I read one of your comments about this, I went onto the Target website and I snatched it up. First things first, I love that they wrap it like this. This is what it looks like. I just got taken back for a second because it says drug facts on the back. And I was like, wait a second, did I accidentally get like a freaking like health advent calendar? But I don't think so. Where's number one? Where's number one? This one right here is number one. Let's see if it's easy to pull. I always have to struggle with these. Okay. Okay, product number one is Lumify eye drops. I think that's what I was reading, drug facts on the back. So Lumify is supposed to make your eyes, I think, look super white. Let me see. Redness reliever. So me personally, I won't be using this because I have eye health issues, and I'm not going to use something like this. But for regular people with healthy eyes, I've heard that this, I think, constricts the blood vessels or something to make your eyes look whiter. Okay, you know what? I suck at aesthetically opening these. Number two is the e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara. So that is definitely nice. It shows you it's a nice thin one here. Number three is a mini of the Okay, so the power randomly went out. It's back on now, so let's continue. Number three is a mini. Let's resume. So day three is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I actually have the full size, and this is one of my favorite products. It just gives your skin the nicest subtle shimmery glow. I put this on underneath makeup. Day four, the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. Okay, this looks like a sample size liquid bronzer. There's a little sealer on it. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's like a really, really nice, like a true liquid bronzer. Day five is huge. Day five is a lip ornament. That's cute. Okay, number six. I know Revlon packaging when I see it. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Glimmer. What shade is this? In the shade Gone Rose. That's beautiful. Let me know if you want to see a lip swatch video on that. Day seven, we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush. This looks like a beautiful color, actually, like a nice princess soft pink color. I cannot wait to try that. Number eight is an e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Number nine is the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. This is what the wand looks like. Number 10, purple nail polish. This is not a color I would go for, but it's festive. Oh, number 11, this is cute. This is like, you know those, what are they called? Octo something. Basically, you stick this to the back of your phone, and then this is a suction cup. So if you wanted to like stick your phone onto a surface to like take pictures or whatever. Last but not least is the 12th day. It's the e.l.f. 30 Broad Spectrum SPF. This was a nice little advent calendar. Like, it's 20 bucks. It's definitely worth 20 bucks, like way more than 20 bucks. It didn't excite me as much as I was expecting, but it's definitely a good value, good advent calendar. If you made it to this point in the video, comment $20 so I know you're an OG who watches all the way until the end. Let me know if you would get this advent calendar.